Most of us want to know what is the purpose of our life. Why are we born? We died. हमारा कुछ बाकी था. We have born again to finish the next level.
I have done Kundli matching in the past, but when it came to Varun, I was literally shivering. Even if it doesn't work, I will make it work. My mom read it out to me कि ये जो संतान है इसको हमेशा stomach का issue होगा, and I have it. It's written.
Astrology will work, but hard work को replace नहीं करेगी astrology.
Somebody's living on the 77th floor in Burli. How do they apply Vastu practically?
जब 77th floor पे रहो या बुर्ज खलीफा पे रहो, I have done I think more than 5 Vastu of बुर्ज खलीफा flats.
Really?
I'm a Mangalik. I have been married to a tree. I've been married to one god also.
When the younger son of Ambani sir was getting married, I think उनके weight के हिसाब से silver उतार के दान किया गया था. High vibe नहीं हो तो भी चलेगा, but कुंडली मैच होना जरूरी है. IVF will fail. It will not work if it's not
this
the
I didn't
same.
check.
Then the nature, extramarital affairs. I have not seen any house which has northeast toilet and no cancer as yet. I would not go and stay even for free in that house.
My main always question is first about my career.
For work, I would share a few remedies to you. And if 6 months there is no change, I will leave astrology.
Wow!
You've said that.
I said that.
So does everybody need an astrologer?
If you want to become a billionaire, you need an astrologer.
Wow. So lately, something interesting has been happening on my Instagram feed. So a few days ago, a post popped up on Instagram of somebody called Natalia. She calls herself an astrocartographer or a locational astrologer. And apparently, a couple of days before Operation Epic Fury, she warned people travel to the Middle East is not a good idea. And if you have to go there, then keep it flexible. Now, some people, I was reading the comments, were impressed by her prediction, while others were dismissive of it and were offering rational sort of reasons as to why she might have said that. Some pointed out, for example, that military drills were being carried out in Israel at the time and people were practicing hiding in bunkers. So it could have just been an informed guess. Now, I'll be honest, my instinctive reaction to astrology has always been skepticism. I've often felt it's more superstition, perhaps, than an actual science. But when millions of people across cultures continue to follow these systems, and when predictions keep resurfacing and sometimes appear to align with real events, it makes you pause. It makes you ask, is it a coincidence? Is it interpretation after the fact? Or could it be that there's a deeper system of patterns that we don't fully understand yet? And that curiosity is exactly why I thought we should explore this conversation today. Hello and welcome to All About Her, and today we're going to be discussing astrology. Is it guiding us, or could it be harming us? Is it empowering us, or is it actually enabling us to shift responsibility away from our own free will? And to explore this, I'm joined by two wonderful women today. So joining me first is someone that audiences have seen evolve with a huge amount of grace and honesty, an actor who has navigated so much, television, reality shows, films with equal ease, and someone who I think brings both instinct and introspection to every single phase of her journey. Karishma Tanna, it is so lovely to have you here.
Thank you so much, Soha, for calling me.
We've been planning to do this for quite some time, and finally today is the day, and it's a really interesting and exciting discussion for me because our second guest is someone who has spent over a decade studying and practicing the occult sciences through a more structured, analytical lens. She's a globally recognized astrologer, numerologist, and Vastu expert, known for blending traditional wisdom with a logical interpretation. Dr. Alifia Sayed is with us today, and I'm really looking forward to this conversation with her.
Thank you so much, Soha, for inviting. Om Gan Ganpate Namah.
Yes. Hi, doctor. How are you?
Too good to see you. I'm so good. I'm so blessed. I'm doing it with this this set, because there is one number which is very common among us is number 3. Her total comes to number 3, soul mission. She's 21. Her soul number is 3, and my name number, the karma number, is 3.
Oh wow!
And 3, if they want the best in their life, if they want, like, they want to be a billionaire, or they want to do best in their life, they have to do few things, and that is one is सबको क्षमा करो, बहुत positive बातें करो, which we are going to do. Okay. And this year, a lot of people are going to come to number 3 for a lot of advices.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Are you a forgiving person?
I'm coming to this. मैं आपको क्षमा करती हूँ because this woman, doctor, never picks up phone calls. Never ever. मतलब इंसान 3 बार कर लेगा, 4 बार कर लेगा, 5वीं बार तो इंसान उठा लेगा ना कि
लेकिन
क्या
5
हुआ.
बार अगर 1-2 बार फोन नहीं उठाया मैंने तो maybe just like send a text message.
I do. That's all.
No, text message, call me. Like, why are you calling me?
अच्छा, okay.
Sometimes you want to speak in person, of course, but often I think things can be communicated in a text message. Wonderful
Then I complained to
technological
Kunal. Kunal is
invention.
like, my wife is like that only. I have given up. So I'm like, okay, now I'm feeling better.
Okay.
So it's
Feeling
like that.
better.
तो मैं क्षमा करती हूँ इस
हाँ.
3 नंबर
3 number
वाले को.
हाँ.
But is it important for number 3s to answer the phone also?
At least get back.
Yeah, I get back.
Courtesy.
Yeah, I get back. I always get back in the form of text.
Like what, next day?
No, immediately. आप मुझे text करेंगे तो तुरंत reply आएगा. But just answering, like I'm on nobody's emergency call list. Nobody's emergency call list.
That's nice.
Because today is about astrology.
Yep.
My main challenge is that nobody knows what time I was born.
Yeah.
By nobody knows, my mother doesn't remember.
Oh.
So it's a challenge
Yeah.
because it's important to know the timing.
Kind of, not 100%. Like for Varshfal, what we use it for Lal Kitab. So there is different types of astrology. So for Lal Kitab, to predict certain accuracy or maybe to give certain remedies, you need to see your Varshfal. So for Varshfal, I would need your time, but otherwise, 90% you can predict.
In fact, it's sometimes nice to know that it's only 90% accurate because अगर आपको,
Yeah, it is 90% accurate.
you know, so then you feel like 10% maybe
Yes.
there's some flexibility.
Yeah.
Correct.
10% is the probability.
Yeah.
And that 10% depends on your 3 types of karma. One is your prarabdh. Prarabdh is, in a simple language, जंगल में मैं चली गई, आग लगा कर आ गई और मुझे लगा मेरा घर तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. जब मैं घर लौटती हूँ तो मेरा घर भी जल गया है. That's your prarabdh karma. Okay, you have done something bad for somebody, thinking, nahi, it will come back. That's prarabdh karma. Second is your sanchit karma. I'm earning 10 rupees and 2 rupees I'm saving daily. In a month, I save 60 rupees. So that's my sanchit karma. The another one is kriyaman karma. Kriyaman karma is like, I have a well, आग लगी है, मैंने उससे अपना तो सब कुछ बुझाया. I've asked the people around me also कि भाई यूज कर लो पानी. Okay, this is the prarabdh karma. So when these 3 karmas जो है ये probability collect करते हैं, and that is a 10% and which can change your destiny, what is even written. Also taking a ashirwad from somebody who is a Mahapurush or a saint, or going to a Dev Sthal. Every Dev Sthal has got एक energy field होती है. Okay, so if you are really praying there and you know वो होता है ना एक time which your prayers will be accepted. So even that time will that works the probability. जो लिखा है, God forbid accident लिखा है, एक खरोच होगी चली जाएगी.
Right. Accident कुछ भी हो सकता है ना.
कुछ
from
भी हो
this
सकता
to
है.
that.
Yeah, it's like a prick. It could be a prick. Blood ही निकलना है ना body से.
Right.
It could be just a prick and it'll go.
Right.
So that's how it's not 100%. It's 90% is astrology
Ji.
and 10% is the probability.
Actually, there's so many questions, and I've already confessed that astrology is something that I've never really experienced, encountered,
Right.
studied. But I've understood that astrology is something that a lot of people in India, especially, believe in and turn to, especially when they're about to make important decisions. And I wanted to ask you first, Alifia, astronomy is a science, astrology is not a science, they say. And apparently, to be a science, you need to be backed by evidence. The hypothesis has to be tested and retested many times. So some skeptics wonder why people turn to astrology. So first, if you can just, for our audience, clear up for us, is it a science, astrology, is it not? And why is it so popular, especially in India?
So firstly, it is a science.
Oh.
Whichever scientist we had, whether we had an Einstein or any big scientist you take, जिन्होंने भी astronomy पढ़ी है, उन्होंने astrology भी they have studied. One is that they go hand in glove. Okay, मतलब astrology सीखी है उन्होंने, पढ़ी है. Secondly, it's a science because it makes you aware of yourself. Nadi, if you have heard of, that helps
नाड़ी
you.
दोष and all,
Yeah,
ना?
Nadi dosa is a nadi. Nadi is your body. They just touch your vein and they will just tell you आपके body में मतलब आपकी प्रकृति क्या है, whether it's vat, kaph, pit, it's what is the prakriti, and depending on that they will guide you with type of food you need to eat. Okay. Also, astrology gives you an answer of why me. You know, why me and why this is happening to me. And ज्योतिष जो हम कहते हैं, ज्योतिष इज व्हाट, इट्स भगवान का दिया हुआ एक ज्योति है जो आपको अंधकार में एक रास्ता दिखाएगा. इट विल हेल्प यू टू चूज योर पाथ. अगेन एस्ट्रोलॉजी इज लाइक इज फॉर द 3 टाइप्स, लाइक यू नो, ज्योतिषी जो हम कहते हैं, एक होता है मासेस के लिए,
Right.
जो आप ये रैंडम रेमेडीज सुनते हो ताकि एक हार्मनी बनी रहे, एक कल्चर रहे, एक सिस्टम बना रहे. सेकेंड होता है इट इज फॉर द किंग, for the royal family, for business person, for somebody who's at a top official पे कहीं बैठे हैं at that top position, उनके लिए एक एस्ट्रोलॉजी होती है. For them today जाके उनकी क्या challenges हैं and how they will overcome these challenges with their strength. और most of us want to know what is the purpose of our life.
Yes.
You know, and there is always a question that why are we born?
Yeah.
We are born just because video game का एक level था, वो खत्म हो गया. We died, हमारा कुछ बाकी था, we have born again to finish the next level. So it is just the level. Till we don't finish and till we don't learn our lesson, till we don't break the pattern, we are going to be born again and again.
Right.
Yeah, so we have to. And the third ज्योतिष, the third type is जो महापुरुष होते हैं, जो saints होते हैं, जिन्हें जो सिर्फ transit of planets पे they work. When the transit of planet is happening, which is going to happen again in now June 2nd, there's going to be a transit of Jupiter. It will go to shift to 4th house. I'll tell you what will happen then. So they will look at only transit of planet and how it's going to affect people. इससे लोगों का क्या फायदा होगा. और जो ये third type में होता है ना, the gurus and the महापुरुष, they would remove the first thing is fear from your heart. They will strengthen your they will strengthen, you know, your best part.
Right.
And they will tell you, explain you how to break the pattern.
Right. Right.
Like, so that's how these 3 types of Jyotishas are there.
And why is astrology so popular in India? And this because there's different kinds of astrology.
Yeah.
There's Vedic and
Yeah,
different cultures have different.
Absolutely. There are, so basically, there are so many. There is Babylon, there is
Chinese.
in Chandlian, there is Pythagoras, there is in astrology there is Vedic, there is Nadi, there is Parashari. There are so many types. There is Lal Kitab.
Right.
Okay.
Wow.
So yeah, there are many. So again, like when I say Vedic astrology or spiritual numerology, which I follow, okay, they are all same. It is like, you know, wheat hai, I would make roti, the other person will make bread, the third person will make pizza base of that.
Right.
You know, so it is just that 3 parts.
The foundation is the
foundation
same.
is the same.
Right.
It is just that on the basis of our civilization or the basis of our geographical condition, it has been made. For an example, Chandlian जो है, they don't use 9 number. It's like जो alphabets है, उनका 9 number digit नहीं use करते. For them, because 9 is a very divine number. And लॉर्ड कृष्णा, श्री कृष्णा का जो नाम है उसका टोटल आता है 9.
अच्छा.
महाभारत 18 दिन चला था. हमारे जो भगवत गीता में 18 चैप्टर्स है. सो 9 इज ऑल्सो कंसिडर्ड एज अ वेरी पायस नंबर,
Right.
ऑल्सो बाय हिम. सो चैंडियन फॉलोज द सेम.
Right.
पाइथागोरस में 1 to 9 फॉलो करते हैं. ओके. स्पिरिचुअल न्यूमरोलॉजी में 9 नंबर इज कंसिडर्ड एज राजयोग नंबर. So that's how it's all, like, there is lot of different this thing. When you say why it in India, India is a karma bhumi. And India will attract lot of people in future. Spirituality is going to increase to another level.
Ji.
We will see it day by day.
I really
because
feel
it's
that.
a creep. And that's why we you know, even as a childhood, if you see, when in our childhood, एक कहीं ना कोई जगह के लिए हम सबको कहीं ना कहीं पुल था या पुल है. That is because we have taken birth in one of our life उस जगह पर. So similarly, कर्म भूमि है, बहुत लोगों को पुल होगा. You could see so many people traveling to India. योगा सीखने आ रहे हैं, धर्म स्थान के लिए आ रहे हैं. You know, the best of the people traveling to
I think-
Karoli Baba.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah.
That's a pull.
And I think
That's
especially now as we're entering into this very sort of high-tech,
Yeah.
artificial intelligence world, that looking for answers,
Right.
looking for where we belong,
Yes.
and spirituality is increasing more. Before I ask you more questions, I want to ask you, Karishma, also, because people might be wondering why you here today on this podcast. And I asked you, do you believe in astrology? And
Yeah.
you said yes. So that's the main reason. But beyond that, we didn't speak. I
Yes.
thought we'll just talk
Yeah.
organically today. Firstly, have you ever consulted an astrologer before you made an important decision in life?
I have consulted an astrologer because my mama believes a lot in planet positions and all that. But if it's my decision, say career decision or something, then I'm not talking to them because I feel my decisions come from my own clarity and intuition. You know, my intuition is very strong. If I feel that this project is good for me, then I'll go. Then I'll not be consulting an astrologer or a tarot for that reason. But if it's say my wedding
Yeah.
timings.
Yeah.
Is this Kundli matching with my Kundli?
Yeah.
So, that important decisions of my life, I have consulted an astrologer.
Yes.
You know, and when it comes to astrology, I feel, you know, whenever you feel low or you don't have any answers in life and you are just lost in your path, I want to consult then. So it gives me a little clarity to go forward, but however I don't completely follow that. I take it as my understanding and I eventually do what I want to do.
Yeah.
But I just take that कि अच्छा आगे जाकर ये महीना आपका थोड़ा सा slow है, so it just kind of prepares my mind
Yeah.
that okay, if I'm not getting work or if my work is slow, if I'm sitting at home, maybe it's the planetary position, but I'm not totally into it like mad, but I believe
Yeah.
in astrology. I know there is science and I know the planets play a very important role
Yeah.
in our career.
Actually, explain to us what astrology is. Like, what is it exactly? And is it I understand that they're celestial bodies and they're planets. And there's a sense that the planets govern our personalities and also events. Is that true to say?
Yes, it does. So it's again, occult science, there is astrology, there is tarot, there is
Vastu.
Vastu, there is numbers. Okay. So tarot is something which is very new, 1400 AD. It's more of, as compared to, of course, the other
Right,
sciences, other occult science, it's relatively new. It's only 1400 AD. It's more of symbols and pattern. Okay. Only with tarot, the thing is, we cannot talk very in detail. As in,
I've heard
कभी
tarot is only 3
event.
months का pathway
40
ना?
days.
40 days का.
only 40 days.
Only 40 days
40
it
days
shows
की
you.
आपकी जो energy होगी ना, that card will come.
Then again you want to ask something
Yes.
after 40 days,
With
then the energy will change.
Right.
Like that it is.
Yeah, so only 40 days. So for the long term, if you have to ask और बहुत detail में और you want to know actual कब होगा ये event,
Right.
that answers you will not
Right.
get from tarot. और tarot में remedies are only they will make you wear crystal or sage. Sage जला दो घर में, and like very limited remedies are there.
Right.
Vastu is something which is again very old science. Okay, Vastu is whatever is my thought, whatever is my emotion, उसको support करता है to complete the task. So whatever is the shape of your house, that will make one frequency which will connect to universe, and according to that the events will happen in your life. So that is why Vastu of the house plays a very important role.
Right.
Astrology is again will depend on what your past life karmas are pending. As per that, you will be born on that particular date, time, whichever astrologer you go to, whichever pandit you go to, कितने भी तारीखें निकाल लो आप, okay, कितना भी कुछ निकाल लो, या तो फिर baby would come early, you know, it's like कितना टांग अड़ाओगे आप.
Right.
जब उसको आना है, जो उसको वो पूरा करना है, वो उस टाइम पे born होगा.
Right.
So when the child is born, उस टाइम पे जो planet positions थे, that will become your chart.
Right.
That will become your 12 houses, your 12 rashis, your 9 planet placement will be decided on that, depending on what is left,
Right.
depending on what was your last 7 minutes of your life, what you thought.
I see.
So that's why हमेशा बोलते हैं ना, मरते वक्त भगवान का नाम जाप करो, ताकि हम कोई चीज से नहीं वो हो रहे कि I'm not going to die with एक कुछ पेंडिंग रह गया.
Correct.
Because जो भी पेंडिंग रह जाएगा, you will तो definitely coming to complete that. Whether if you're thinking, oh मैंने मर्क नहीं चलाई या मैंने पोर्श नहीं चलाई, मेरे पास ये था नहीं, तो तुम आ जाओगे उसके लिए. बट डिपेंड करता है what was your कर्मा, बिकॉज इफ द गुड कर्मा था तो उसके ओनर बनोगे, अगर अच्छे कर्मे नहीं कर्मा नहीं था तो उसके ड्राइवर बनोगे, तो गाड़ी साफ करने वाले बनोगे. सो
But that will be in your life
that
in
will
some
be
way.
in your life. You will come for that. So you have to be very careful. Numerology is repeated patterns.
Yes.
Numerology will help you with आपको क्या करना चाहिए, especially what I practice is spiritual numerology. It's not Chandelian and Pythagorean because again they are very relatively new.
But I will ask you because I want to come to numerology and Vastu a
Yes.
little later
Huh.
and first talk a little
Yeah.
bit about astrology because there are a couple of things that you
Yes.
said also, like Kundlis, and you said that, when you got married.
Yeah.
Now, what if you have met somebody that you love and you want to marry and then you match Kundlis? And what if, like, I don't know what happened in your case. I know that you met somebody and you loved them and you wanted to marry them. Was that before you did the Kundli
So
matching?
in the past also, I have done little, what do you say, Kundli matching in the past, little bit. Have come close to it, I can say. But then deep down, I knew that if it doesn't match also, it's not gonna break me. Maybe that gut feeling that okay, chalo dekh lete hai. I mean, okay, I've dated him for over a year, so let me just see whether it's gonna match or it's not gonna match. Should I go ahead? If it doesn't also work, it's fine.
Yeah.
That kind of feeling. But when it came to Varun,
Yeah.
I was literally shivering. I was like, it has to work.
Yeah.
And even if it doesn't work, I will make it work. So
Yeah.
that determination I had. Luckily, to my luck, it worked. And the astrologer said that, okay, it's a good match and you can go ahead. I'm like, okay. In my heart, I knew even if it's not, I'm going to make it work because I knew my gut feeling was so strong that he's the one.
But
I wanted to get married to him for the first time after so long.
yeah. So one thing is that. So that's what I mean. Like, especially when it comes to affairs of the heart, I know a lot of, even if the children are not interested, sometimes the parents are interested
Yeah.
in the Kundli. And my question to you was, because I think you've also spoken about this, there was this whole thing about vibe match hona chahiye. And it's okay if the Kundlis don't match. And you had said कि फिर अगर people are going to say कि vibe पे चलेंगे तो फिर देखेंगे ना कैसे चलेगा.
Right.
Which made me think that you were like not so.
Not okay with that. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Because
Oh, you're not okay with that. So vibe match ho.
वाइब नहीं हो तो भी चलेगा बट कुंडली मैच होना जरूरी है.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You are saying that I would chalao it because I have that faith and that determination. But there is
But somewhere deep down, I wanted it to match.
obviously you want to because it gives
Of
you a
course.
sense of
comfort
Comfort.
and security. Okay, mentally, yeah, it's gonna work. It's gonna work.
it's gonna work.
Yes.
It's also like people who say that I mean, I don't need my parents' approval to get married. That as
I'll
long
make
as
it
we
work.
love each other.
हाँ, we'll make
But
it
of course,
work.
if it's a belief system that either you or your family subscribe to, then
Yeah.
it only helps to that. But I want to understand from you
So see if it's
why you
arranged-
feel vibe is not enough.
So if it's arranged marriage, definitely we see a lot of things. Okay, as in when you're matching a chart, it's not just we see finances.
Yeah.
Because once you get married, you're bringing luck. You're sharing luck of each other. Okay, it's basically कुंडली के ऊपर कुंडली आ रही है. So उसका जहाँ पर अगर केतु placed है and yours is Venus placed, तो काम नहीं मिलेगा फीमेल को अगर उसका केतु और आपका Venus है तो. Because Ketu is a planet with a sword. Venus is the planet of money, luxury, okay, beauty. So it will not. So it's not just finances. We will see health. We will see longevity. कितनी life किसी की छोटी तो नहीं है. Reproduction system of both of the thing. I mean, both the charts are fine. The fifth house is okay. If there's और अगर ऐसे होगा, God forbid, both the fifth house is not okay, then IVF will also not work. If the
Right.
nadis are same, even IVF will not work.
And this is for people who say that they do want to become parents.
Yeah, of
And
course.
that matters
And if
to
they're
them.
not,
Yeah,
then
it's-
that's fine.
yeah.
Okay. Then there's temper you have to see.
Temper.
The temper is okay. तो ये
Your face
vibe and ये सब तो बाद में
Nadi
आता है.
Vadi, I didn't know that Nadi has to. If
If
Nadi
it's
is
same,
then you
IVF
can't
will not
conceive.
happen. IVF will fail. It will not happen. It will not work if it's
Oh,
not
this
the
I didn't
same.
check.
Yeah.
Bhagwan, thank you.
So something. So there is not just one thing we are going to see. Then the nature. Then going forward, extramarital affair.
So your chart will tell you if your
Everything.
husband or wife is
Everything.
going to have an affair.
Yes, health issue,
Let's consider
morally, yeah, morally how strong they are.
Yeah, I know what time
Each
Kunal was
other.
born. I don't know what time I
Yeah.
was born.
That's okay. I'll figure it out from your daughter's chart because
Really?
yeah, from one person's chart you can see the entire khandan, your parents, your brother, sister, your children, your spouse, everything. From a chart we can guess not guess, we are sure about the blood group. We can see if the person is going to gain weight, which part of the body, lower part, upper part.
She's on reverse.
So everything we can see from a chart.
But that makes me ask two very important questions.
Yeah.
One question, of course, is for the skeptic to say, ki, now if all of this is predetermined,
Yeah.
then इसमें मेरा personal will कहाँ पे आता है? My sense of personal agency. Why do I have any ambition or any motivation to do anything? Because I'll see my chart and I'll be like, it's already decided for me.
So that's the misconception, na? Astrology will work, but hard work को replace नहीं करेगी astrology. Astrology will not replace hard work. If you're thinking, oh, my chart is wonderful and the
And I'll sit at
astrologist
home.
said, oh, I will sit at home and I am going to lose weight without going gym, है ना? तो वैसे तो नहीं होगा ना. I will be popping magnesium tablet for sleep, but I will not go to gym. I'll be watching phone, Instagram before sleeping. So that will not help, no? So again, that's the misconception that astrology can replace hard work. It will not. That's a promise, but you have to work towards it.
Right.
Okay, and coming back to the vibe point, okay,
Right.
vibe तो अभी match हो रही है. What if it doesn't match? See, if it's a love marriage, तो फिर it's like, please कर लो शादी, आ जाओ. I mean, बता दो chart. Then what I do is I will remove a certain year or a time in their life where their marriage will be on rock, where there will be a period. Of course, I would never use a term divorce hoga, separate ho gaya. I would of course use a more specific, and I'll be very kind with my words.
Yeah.
Where I will mention that, you know, you have to take care during this period. Maybe the temper will be high. Maybe, you know, you guys, your relationship will be challenged. So those terms I will use कि इतने time पे please संभाल लेना.
Right.
सोच लेना पागल हो गई है बीवी, सोच लेना पागल हो गया husband.
Right.
So, you know, then you have to guide it in that way.
Right.
Then maybe financial issue आएगा. Maybe husband will lose job. Such a one of the biggest reason is of
Finance,
divorce is money.
Yes, absolutely.
You know, especially man if he's not doing well.
Yeah.
It's one of the biggest thing. So just then counsel the girl, you know, this period will not be good. So be okay because nothing is going to be temporary. Nothing is nothing is permanent in
Nothing is
life.
permanent.
Things are going to change. Time
Right.
will change. So just hold on to that period.
Right.
And God forbid if there is, you know, like conceiving also. If suppose IVF ही करना है, like C-section भी होगा, that also we can say it with the chart. Even if the child is 2 days old, we can from the chart say that
For that child, how
for
they
that
will
child,
conceive and
conceiving,
But have you done your
reproductive,
chart to
everything
this,
we
to
can
this
say.
detail?
Yeah, I have my chart from my birth. My mother has this
Oh.
Janma Patrika, that Purana wala fata hua,
Got
but
it.
she has it.
Nice.
That, and in
कितना
that,
मोटा है?
नहीं, 4-5 पेज का है. It's a पुराना जमाने का astrology का पत्रिका.
Handwritten.
Handwritten.
Very old one.
गुजराती या तो हिंदी में लिखा है, I don't remember.
Okay.
But उसमें my mom read it out to me कि ये जो लड़की whatever ये जो संतान है जिसका born ये टाइम पे हुए है and this is the year and all that, इसको हमेशा stomach का issue होगा. And I have it.
Yeah.
Imagine back then they've written it.
Right.
And it's written also, she will be doing something with media or something with advertising, something to do with in front of the camera or fashion. It's written.
Wow.
And I've clicked a picture of it. So I do believe in it.
Yeah.
But predict होता है कि नहीं वो नहीं पता मुझे. You know what I mean? Like if suppose you say that, you know, next month 12th November को ये होने वाला है. So I don't know whether it's going to happen or not. I don't know
But
that.
ऐसा कुछ लिखा था कि जहाँ पे लिखा था कि ऐसा did any astrologer tell you कि ऐसा होगा? And like a lot of people have said कि oh, the world is going to end. 2020 में, 2012 में, 2026 में भी there was like talk about. I remember 2020, and there was the
COVID.
No, there was a Chinese astrologer, Baba Vanga, predicted that the world would end in 2020. She apparently predicted COVID. She said, okay, there's going to be a big pandemic, like a health crisis,
Wow.
and a lockdown, and economic turmoil will happen.
Yes.
But now also people have said, okay, the world did not end in 2020. The world did not end in 2012. So these predictions, does astrology also predict? And then what are these, why are these end of the world predictions? And then they come and go and people still continue to talk about that.
World is not ending 26B. And there's no World War III also. So the war is going on as a man-made war.
Yes.
Yeah. And it is just because of the certain condition, planetary condition, one of the reason, planetary condition. And that is also, if you're talking about, first of all, world is not ending. One is that I'm answering to. Second is war, जो condition बनी है हमारी. It is just because Kumbh Rashi में there are 4 planets. One is Mangal, which is again hot planet. Surya, again hot-headed. Rahu is illusion, okay. And Budh is the communication का war. Okay. So, मतलब आप उटपटांग चीजें बोलोगे एक दूसरे के लिए सोचोगे, you know, like when we say Mercury retrograde.
Yes. Oh.
आपको शांत रहना होता है because you will be misunderstood.
I've heard that.
I to feel
Yeah.
Mercury retrograde is everything. People say, okay, like I've spilled coffee on me, it's Mercury retrograde. अब breakup हो गया, Mercury retrograde. सब कुछ के लिए plane
Yeah.
miss हो गया, flight miss हो गई, Mercury
Exactly.
retrograde.
So कुंभ राशि में ये 4 planets हैं. Again, Sun and Saturn not friends. They are together. उसकी युति बनी है. Again, मीन राशि के अंदर शनि is sitting, okay, and it's gonna move next year July. इसलिए next year July 2027 तक it's gonna be volatile रहने वाला है. कभी भी किसी का भी दिमाग थोड़ा खराब होगा. Okay. So that's और ये same combination was formed in 1990 when जब Gulf War हुआ था.
Right.
So it's just a circle, you know. It has just come back.
But
And
can we
it's gonna
say
get
at all
over-
whether India is going to get drawn into this conflict?
Not really.
Okay.
This will end very soon.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, UAE will be out in another 2 weeks, I guess. UAE and Saudi Arabia, and all the Gulf will become together. China is going to support, okay, and this will all phase out. It is. I don't see it. Yeah, but वो कहते हैं ना, stress tension will be there till next year July.
Stress, I feel, is just going to be there forever now in life.
For war, so
For
war type situation. Yeah, it is going to be there till next year, till Shani is in Meen Rashi, till it moves to Mesh. Yeah.
Why did you refer to your mother in terms of like a believer in astrology, and she was the one who, because of her belief, then you also believe.
Yes.
So is she the one who introduced the idea of astrology in your life? Was it something that you just grew up always believing? Or was there a particular instant or an uncertain time that made you personally turn to it?
There was no as a particular incident in my life or something, but every time my mom told me that I'm a manglik, initially she told me, see all these bachpan ka whatever words I remember, I'm a manglik, so I have to get married to a tree. I have done that also.
You've been married to a tree?
Yeah, I have been married to a tree. I've been married to one god also.
Yeah, they do it. Yeah.
Huh? So I've done that.
So you can be married to a tree, a god, and Varun?
Yeah. What is the reason I don't know? Because
That
I
you
was-
must tell us about.
Yeah,
because
I was
also have
too
questions.
young, but my mom believed. So all these things I know because my mom believed in it. The Janma Patri in my hand I had is because my mom believed in it. And she also was talking about some Sada Sati,
Sade
Sati and all that. And then she's like Mangalik, so you might just get married late. So all these remedies she's already made me do because she wanted me to get married, of
Of course,
course.
yeah.
And I feel that because her belief and because she really wanted me to get married, and that's why I've done all these remedies, is why I've got a decent husband, I feel. Decent.
I like
being
it.
Very
Decent husband.
underplaying. Very nice husband.
I've got a decent husband.
That's good.
Like a very
Yeah.
loving
Thumbs
husband.
up to Varun.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah. So I've been believing because my mom believes in it.
So the main thing for Mama was also shadi.
Yeah, she wanted me to settle down eventually. When she told me it's up to you whenever you feel like. My dad, mom, being a Gujarati setup, they never forced me that, jaldi shadi karni hai, log kya kahenge and all that. Okay, you have a mind of your own. You want to work, you want to be independent, be. But eventually, we would want you to settle down whenever you want to.
Yeah. And that's something you also wanted for yourself.
Yeah,
Like,
but I
marriage
was
is an
not
important
desperate.
Part of your life. No?
Yeah, it was not that was only in my mind. Career was always
Yeah.
the focus point.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, if career takes place, everything will just follow.
Yeah.
So it was never, that was not my focus point, that marriage. Okay, it'll happen. I knew somewhere, again, intuition, I knew. And I also knew that I will get married late. I knew.
But when somebody says to you that you are Manglik, what does that, and how old were you?
I think 16, 17, when my mom told me that I'm a
And
Mangalik.
did that like make you worry? Did that make you like,
Because
feel a
she said
certain way?
Mangalik and late marriage hota hai, husband late milta hai.
and did she explain to you what it means? Like that you're Manglik?
No, she said it's because of late marriage. The Manglik is correct, na? Marriage is late, and then husband separation.
Basically, separation,
all
two
that
marriages.
happens.
If it's early marriage, then 2 marriages. It
it's early
depends where
marriage.
Mangal is sitting in your chart.
Yeah.
So a Manglik would be and it's men and women.
Yeah, men and women, but of course, women का हम ज़्यादा वो देखते हैं because Mangal is a planet aggression, गुस्सा, okay, and हमारी society में ये है ना, एक हम पहले से चलता आ रहा है, फीमेल हैव टू बी काम, सुनना है, गुस्सा नहीं करना है, उल्टा जवाब नहीं देना है, तो
सबके
इससे
opposite हूँ मैं।
शादियां, जैसे शादियां नहीं,
It will be problematic.
Correct.
शादियां नहीं चलेगी. सो दैट्स वन ऑफ द थिंग, बिकॉज आप में एंगर बहुत है, एग्रेशन बहुत है, फिजिकल एनर्जी बहुत है. Okay, so the best remedy, and I say this in all the pod, and I want to tell this again going forward also, because I want कि ये जो डर बना कर रखा है ना, again when you asked me if it's a science, it's an art also. Looking at a chart is looking at an art, it's an abstract painting. Okay, I might just, every astrologer will have a different perspective to it. Okay, for me Manglik is nothing, it's okay, that's no problem. झाड़ ये सबसे भी शादी मत करो. आई ओनली टेल देम कि शादी थोड़ा सा 28 के बाद करना या तो 28th ईयर में करना. दैट्स इट. डोंट गेट अर्ली मैरिज में मत जाना. इवन हाउ मच एवर यू लव दैट पर्सन, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन टिल 28. One
When
is
some,
that,
like when you're able to maybe
When-
have
yeah.
some maturity and
maturity
control your
and
emotions.
control on your emotion. And the another thing is, whenever you're Manglik, and whoever is Manglik, okay, get into cooking, because when you cook, okay, you are venting out a lot of your emotions. And get into any physical activity. Zumba कर लो, dancing form कर लो, कुछ
Physical
एक
activity तो कर रहे हो, but
एक-
Cooking, I love cooking.
एक
So I'm
घंटे की-
shocked actually when you're saying that. I feel so good when I'm cooking, and I'm very good also, doctor. I'm very good. I'm boasting, but I'm very good.
I'm very sure. So that's these are the only two remedies. ये कर लो और लेट शादी कर लो. You are done with Manglik. You don't have to do whatever people are asking. Don't get scared. And Manglik को क्या होता है ना, ये बहुत लड़ने के लिए खड़े हो जाते हैं. Most of them. ओके, मतलब इनको हर लिख के लिए लड़ना होता है. हमारी लड़ाई नहीं भी है तो हमें लड़ना होता है. सो व्हाट आई टेल देम इज, लड़ना ही है ना, पुलिस फोर्स ज्वाइन कर लो, आर्मी ज्वाइन कर लो, कंट्री के लिए लड़ लो, घर में मत लड़ो, लोगों से मत लड़ो.
find some
So,
avenue for that.
avenue for that, you know, join boxing, get into any form of physical activity where you are venting it out. So that's the best remedy for Manglik. So it's like, you know, like I said, looking at a painting.
Right.
Why you have to scare anybody? There is always a way out. Look at it in a logic way. And हमें जो एक another misconception है ना, कि हम जाप कर लेंगे और तेल चढ़ा देंगे शनि को, मंगल की ये रेमेडी कर लेंगे, तो ये भी बहुत बड़ा मिसकंसेप्शन है. ये सब चीज़ों के साथ हमें कर्मा हमारे करेक्ट करना है.
Oh.
You cannot be just doing the job and doing a gemstone and you think, okay, my life is
I
sorted.
really want to know, does this gemstone work? Because a lot of people tell me wear this, wear that. I wear it also.
What are you wearing? You're not wearing
Right now I'm not wearing, but I get
What
very.
do you wear, वैसे? Otherwise, what has been asked to be worn?
One person has told me to wear ruby. One person has told me to wear emerald. One person has told me to wear white sapphire.
Is this your jeweler who's telling you कि मैम ये ले लो, ये ले लो, ये
ये
ले लो?
Astrologers randomly they come to me in parties and you have to wear a green emerald.
You don't
And
need. You know, green
latest-
emerald is for whom? For the people who are not able to take decision, or the people who are only taking emotional decisions, or people who are not good at their communication, which I don't think any of it
No,
is.
so I don't need to wear green emerald.
Absolutely
ये खत्म हो गया.
एक
Thank
तो हो
God.
गया, फिर
हाँ,
बाकी
एक तो
दो.
हो गया.
Yellow sapphire, white sapphire. Am I supposed to wear?
Achha, very good myth about yellow sapphire. So yellow sapphire, people, astrologers, they ask people, our client, to wear it in this finger.
Correct.
Right hand.
मुझे भी यही
है
बोला
ना?
है.
यहाँ ही बोला है ना, रॉन्ग. ये जो फिंगर है ना, हमारी ईगो की फिंगर है, अहम, मेरा, मैं, राइट.
ए तू.
हाँ,
ऐसे ही
हाँ,
बोलते हैं ना.
हाँ, है ना, मैं राइट एंड तू, ये दिस इज ईगो. हम जब जाप करते हैं, यू मस्ट हैव सीन, ये फिंगर बाहर रहती है.
हाँ हाँ.
हम ऐसे जाप करते हैं,
correct,
राइट,
correct.
बिकॉज हमें जब जाप कर रहे हैं ना, हमें ईगो नहीं लाना है अंदर. टू रिमूव दैट ईगो आउट. सो नेवर टू बी वोन इन दिस फिंगर. येलो
ऐसा क्यों बोलते हैं फिर?
क्योंकि इन्हें पता नहीं है ना, लॉजिक्स नहीं पता है, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं करते. गुरु ने बोल दिया, कर लिया मैंने, अरे क्यों, मुझे इसका रीजन बताओ. हाफ ऑफ द पीपल आर नॉट क्वेश्चनिंग, मैं ये क्यों करूं.
तो इट इज ओके टू आस्क इन एस्ट्रोलॉजी कि क्यों
Absolutely.
इसका कुछ लॉजिकल
साइंटिफिक कुछ बताओ. एंड व्हाई.
होगा.
फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, हम जो ये पहन लेते हैं, किसी का शुक्र खराब है तो डायमंड पहना देते हैं, है ना. सर्कुलर डायमंड शेप, ओके, इज वेरी डेंजरस. इट डजंट सूट एवरीबडी.
But I'm wearing circular.
हाँ, I have to see your
maybe it
charts.
suits you.
We have to, maybe it suits you.
मैं तो ऐसे
So
ही
this
पहनी हूँ,
causes also hormonal issue, uterus issue. For many charts, मैंने बहुत लोग का निकलवाया है. मैंने लिटरली बहुत लोग का निकल के, सर्कुलर मत पहनो बहन, निकाल लो, हार्मोन्स ठीक हो
I'm
जाएंगे.
right now wearing red ruby also, but I'm not wearing it now.
Ruby is fine. I saw a chart. You can wear ruby.
I'm not wearing anything, guys. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Sorry, please continue about this.
So this
So yellow
circular
sapphire is a myth.
myth, हाँ, and this round जैसे
Blue
शुक्र,
बोलते हैं make it or break it. Is it correct?
हाँ, so blue पहनने से पहले you need to blue sapphire, you need to keep it for some few days with you, okay? See if it's not
If
harming.
it's suiting you. I've
And
heard
then
this.
because blue sapphire, red coral, these are very dangerous stone. Hessonite, which is gomet, very
I know,
वो भी नहीं पहनना चाहिए. कैट्स आई नहीं पहनना चाहिए. राहु केतु के स्टोन्स क्यों पहनना है आपको? उससे तो हमें रेमेडीज करनी है.
like asking lab-grown diamond के बारे में
Why are we? No,
Lab-grown
no
diamonds,
lab grown diamond. No lab grown diamond.
Okay.
No, definitely no. मत पहनो diamond.
अच्छा.
But don't wear lab grown diamond. Artificial क्यों पहनना है? अगर forever के लिए मत पहनो, you can wear it for few hours maybe.
हाँ, like
Just like
हाँ,
a
wedding,
हाँ, if you हाँ wedding or anything if you want
But
to.
if you're wearing it for the energies,
for the
and
energies
for the,
it will not.
Right.
It will give you. मैंने वो भी निकलवाया है from a businessman जिसका काम अटक रहा था. I just asked him, just randomly I asked him, are you wearing a lab grown? Because it was quite a 10 carat.
right.
So he said yes. I'm like, can you just remove it for a few days, just for a month, and see if your work is okay? And actually, it worked.
Right.
So yeah, energies. So हमें जो होता है ना ये शुक्र खराब है तो इसको डायमंड पहना दो. अरे नहीं होगा. सिर्फ डायमंड पहनने से नहीं होगा. शनि खराब है तो इसको एक ब्लू सफायर पहना दो और ये जाप कर लो और ये तेल डाल दो. 7.5 जो चल रही है या शनि की दशा चल रही है तो दिस रेमेडीज इट विल नॉट वर्क. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट शनि इज अ स्लो प्लैनेट. वो एक राशि से दूसरी राशि में जाने के लिए हाउस में जाने के लिए 2.5 साल लेता है. सो व्हेन 7.5 चल रही है या शनि की दशा चल रही है, आपकी गति स्लो हो गई, तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर शुड गाइड के और एनर्जी डाल बेटा और एफर्ट्स डाल. डोंट गिव अप. दिस शुड बी द थिंग एंड नॉट तुम जेमस्टोन पहन ले, तू जाप कर ले, कर्मा पे वर्क करो ना.
Right.
वर्क ऑन योर कर्मा.
And everybody has a Saraswati. Everybody will have a Saraswati at
At
some
least
point in their life.
two cycles
One or
होते हैं. Two cycles.
cycles.
We all have.
Yeah,
It
I've
will
finished
come.
both. I've been doing.
I've finished both and they were very good, fantastic.
Right.
Yeah.
So people who are in the midst of their Saraswati should not lose hope, and there are things that you should be doing
Yeah.
to motivate yourself.
efforts बढ़ा दो बस.
Did you experience a Saraswati? Did you feel like
I felt a little slow in my dip in my career for sure, but I didn't know it's Sarasati. When I went to an astrologer, when my mom took me, that's when I got to know, and he said that her
Abhi ye chal raha hai.
Sarasati is on, so everything will be a little slow, but that doesn't mean that you lose hope. Exactly what she said. So yeah.
that question? Because Karishma said she was inclined towards that inclination came from her mother. So my question was that is it more women in India who are inclined towards astrology, and if so, is there a reason for that?
Yeah. So why? For my personal clientele would be 60-40. 60% women, 40 men. Why women more? Because women पे ना वो सारा भार होता है. First of all, emotionally.
Yeah.
Most of the time, you know what? Astrologers तो आप हो. You have to be a very good counselor.
Yes.
Most of the time, people just want to know that this shall pass.
Yes.
This is my reason why I speak to a tarot or an astrologer. It is healing for me. I talk to them and I feel good. Immediately after hanging up the phone or meeting them, I feel very good.
Yeah.
So it's in a way working like a shrink
Right.
for me. So that's why I consulted them actually.
Yeah. So that's very important.
So as you said,
so like
good
women,
healer.
it's emotionally, because we want that emotional. And many times, not everybody is blessed with a good family drive, na.
Right.
And everybody listening ears nahi hai. And half the time you don't want to discuss because you don't want your things to be out and open in
Correct.
front of your friends, and you don't know who's your friends and who's your behind your
In my
back.
case also, I don't want to talk to my mother and give her stress. My
Exactly.
husband doesn't believe too much into it. My husband's like, just keep working, it's coming.
Yeah.
So no point talking to
Yeah.
him also because he's just
Yeah.
non-believer.
Yeah.
So who do I talk to?
Right.
Yeah.
So one of the reasons then I talk to them.
But my question is that, like a lot of people, like you said, it's like a therapist. Should everybody have an astrologer in their life?
Yes.
Or is it something that you only might need when you're going through a field? Like Karishma said, I had no one else to talk to, so I wanted to speak to this person. So does everybody need an astrologer?
If you are a Lakhpati and Crorepati and you just want to stay there and you're happy and content with it, you don't need an astrologer. If you want to become a billionaire, you need an astrologer.
Oh, wow.
Definitely. Everybody, most of the people. I have like
All the
clientele.
influential people you think have an astrologer.
Everybody have an astrologer. Everybody, there is somebody guiding. So like I always say, king के पास 4 लोग थे, एक cook, एक doctor, एक astrologer और एक जो history लिखता था. So astrologer तो हम सबके पास, वो जो हमारा था ना, सबके पास ये 4 लोग की जरूरत है, जैसे हमको कुक की जरूरत है, आपको डॉक्टर, फैमिली डॉक्टर की जरूरत है, वैसे you should have astrologer.
What are some of the most bizarre decisions that people
That's
come
what
to
I
you
so
for?
that you bizarre which
That
they
like
come.
and they consult an
And
astrologer
I
for.
would really would want you if every important decision. For an example, IVF करना है, डॉक्टर ने IVF के लिए बोला है. I would actually from the patrika tell you if this period is going to be successful or not. We can tell you. या तो IVF की जरूरत नहीं है, IUI करा लो. We can even say that with the patrika. We can even say काम छोड़ना है, बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, भाई मत करो, काम मत छोड़ो, कर लो. We can say that this period will go. अगर काम छोड़ दिया तो नेक्स्ट जॉब नहीं मिलेगा, जॉबलेस रहोगे 6 महीना, तो ये जो मिल रहा है ये कर लो. मैनी टाइम योर 10th हाउस ऑफ योर कुंडली इज नॉट गुड. वो बॉस का हाउस होता है, वो हमारा करियर होता है. सो इनको कभी भी अच्छे बॉस नहीं मिलेंगे, तो यू हैव टू जस्ट काउंसिल देम, बेटा यही मिलने वाला है नेक्स्ट में भी. मैरिज डिसीजंस हो गए, यू नो, करियर, बच्चों के करियर. सो लाइक विमेन, मोस्ट ऑफ द वाइफ विमेन आर कमिंग बिकॉज दे वांट टू नो अबाउट योर चाइल्ड, दे वांट टू नो अबाउट देयर इमोशनल स्टेबिलिटी, दे वांट टू नो अबाउट देयर स्पाउस, फाइनेंसेस, you know, their own career. So they have more reasons. Men के पास mostly they come for the later part, finances, business. अभी job कर रहा हूँ, more of the IT people, what I have is job कर रहा हूँ, every IT person wants to open a restaurant. So हाँ, तो उसके and I'm glad, please come, don't invest that 50 lakhs 1 CR of your hard earned money in something which is not going to work. वो देने से अच्छा आप एक थोड़ा सा किसी एस्ट्रोलॉजर को दे दो, एक सेन डिसीजन मिल जाएगा कि करना है नहीं करना, देन यू टेक योर कॉल. सो दिस इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिफोर यू क्रॉस दैट. व्हेन यू आर एट द क्रॉस रोड पे आने से पहले आप डिसीजन वो ले लो, रादर देन इट्स टू लेट.
Right. When you, for example, Varun doesn't believe in it, but do you ever encounter people who like are dismissive of the fact that you speak to an astrologer, or do you ever encounter also people who are skeptical of the work that you do? And I was just wondering how you respond to that. Do you just say, okay, like each to their own, I believe what I believe, like you don't engage? Or have there been conversations that you've had where people are like, why are you doing this? What is the need to do
They
this?
ask me, my friends ask me that, do you have an astrologer? You speak to a tarot, because I'm a little faint in my whatever thinking and all that. So I'm like, yeah, I speak to an astrologer. I have a couple of them and a tarot reader. So if you want, I can recommend. So I do that. Nobody is being dismissive yet.
Yeah.
My husband believes what I believe. If I say that I have spoken to this person and this person has predicted this, I want to see it. So he'll say, okay, if you are believing in that, let's see.
Yeah.
So he'll not completely dismiss it.
Yeah.
He's like, okay, your intuition, your strong feeling is also very important. So he listens to me.
Yeah.
But whether if I want to take him to an astrologer or make him talk to a tarot, he wouldn't do that.
Right.
You do you.
And I'll do me. My question is actually about how it makes you feel. So like Karishma said, when she gets off the phone or she finishes meeting with her astrologer, she feels good about
good.
herself. I'm wondering if it creates anxiety for some people at some times. Like you said, it's an art, and also you choose your words.
Yeah.
Obviously, not everything will be amazing and good
absolutely.
news. And in that case, one thing is that do you share everything, or do you make it digestible for that person ताकि वो हजम हो? And the other thing is also, like, if people feel that, like for skeptics, for example, who feel like I'm not sure if I believe or not, how you respond to them. And the two things, like when I was doing research also, I read in the newspaper, I read my horoscope.
Even I do.
Yeah, I read it, but I feel like certain newspapers, and most newspapers actually, I feel like, yeah, this is true, but then I think about it and I was like, but it's not saying anything. It's saying ke, oh, you enjoy making people happy, or there's a trip in the near future. And I'm like, oh yes, I'm going to Delhi, but I'm like, this could mean I'm going to Mira Road also. Like anything is
But
a
it's
trip.
very generic, no?
It's generic.
Very
And apparently there's something called the Barnum effect, where people feel that astrology can be so ambiguous sometimes that you feel like it's for you, but actually it's so broad that it can apply to anyone. And I was wondering if you must have obviously encountered this before, and how you respond to that.
So this is when you read in the newspaper or when you see on the Insta reels. These are for the masses. Okay. And about astrology, again, when I would answer only firstly what you have asked me. If there's something, God forbid, a death or something, I would just tell, take care. Like you can also see if one of the parents are not gonna have good time this year, I would just say, take care of your mother. take care of your father. If I see maybe a accident or something, I would just rather use a term, don't drive in the evening, be careful,
Right.
or don't go on a, especially Manglik people. I would tell the parents, please isko kabhi motorcycle mat do. Okay, so I would rather, because they're very prone to meeting with an accident, fracturing themselves. Inko bahut, they're very prone to it. So these terms will, and of course, with astrology, like I said, we can guide everything except death. Of course, we can calculate. But I personally, if somebody will ask me just for the sake of fun, like, अभी मुझे जानना है मैं कितने time जीऊंगा, तो I would not answer that question unless a family calls me that the person is in a very bad state in a hospital. We want to take a decision. Will he recover or not? That time I will make my calculation and give you the answer. Because again, for everybody, like most of the time, even the 12th house, if you have 5 planets, people will say, अरे इसका तो सब सत्यानाश हो गया, इसका तो लॉस हो गया, इसका तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है.
I know astrologers who give anxiety now. I don't want to talk to them.
Yeah.
Please run away.
Yeah.
Run away.
But I think the idea is for it to be helpful and empowering, right?
Yeah.
Run away. Because the other side of it looking at is if 12th house में आपके अगर इतने सारे planet है ना, my reply to that person is export import कर लो, foreign land में जाके काम कर लो, you will do fantastically well. So these will be my reply to the, like for Manglek, for Sade Sati, my replies are going to be completely different, where you're looking at it as a positive way and where you can help. ऐसा कोई आज को एस्ट्रोलॉजर बोल रहा है ना कि आपके कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता, तो then he is not an astrologer. Please run away.
And do you feel somewhere that, like, because we talked about hospitals also and surgeries, like somebody might say they might go to an astrologer before a surgery. Now, if the doctor's saying, okay, it's, you need to do this surgery. But is there ever a situation where the astrologer says now is not a good time to have a surgery? So wait, is there a line that you feel like, okay, if the doctor's saying this, mujhe aisa karna chahiye, nahi karna chahiye? I'm just asking questions off the top of my head.
So one of my very close friend, जिनके घर में पत्ता भी मेरे से बिना पूछे नहीं हिलता, it's like that situation. He had a knee problem. He called me. Thursday के दिन हम लोग surgery के लिए जा रहे हैं, knee replacement. He's in 40s, my age.
Yeah, young.
And I was like, knee, and I just saw his chart and I called him back again. Listen, giving you a physio वाले का number, sports physio, उसके पास जाओ, 1 महीना करो, 1 महीना रुक जाओ. Don't for this surgery, not needed. नहीं है promise chart में. 1 month, wife called me. You are mad. What are you guiding him? We have taken the, everything is booked and he cannot walk and he's limping. I'm like, just 1 month I'm asking for, just 1 month physio karo. Touch wood, he's all good.
Wow.
No surgery was needed.
Yeah.
So you can avoid that. There's this promise of everything.
Right.
You just need to go to the right person.
Yeah, I think I wanted to ask you, in terms of, we're again talking about predictions.
Yeah.
Would you want to know things that are going to happen in the future?
Yeah, like my career, when am I gonna get good project, all that. But I don't want to know
The bad stuff.
about death, and I don't want to know about divorces. I don't want to know about extreme lows of my life. But I want to know about when is my high point, when am I gonna do well in my business or my career, or when am I gonna get this project, or when am I gonna have a baby. All those things are fine, but not the negative parts. I don't want to know.
Because
Yeah, it just kind of pulls you down. So why you want to? I just want to talk to them and understand. Say if they're saying that आप 1 साल रुक जाओ, and in between something happens and I'm thankful for it. कि चलो this happened in spite of my astrologer saying that this is not going to happen.
Yeah.
So I'm only thankful.
Yeah.
And then if it happens after a year, then I'll be more thankful. So it just gives me like a guidance, like a pathway.
Yeah.
So I feel good about it. But I'm going to ask you towards the end about my...
No,
Of course we
she's
can.
taken your
I've taken your details.
You can ask now. Now's a good time.
We can
Before
speak
we move
now.
on to Vastu and numerology.
Oh.
Yeah, we can speak now.
But do you have a specific question or an area that you're...
My main always question is first about my career. Always. Like, please predict it.
So for 1 year, 9 months, it's going to be
I'm going so...
no,
She's not finished her thought.
It's going to be a slow period. But after 1 year, 9 months, it's going to be a wonderful period for you. You will have a lot of work. You'll have a lot of money, ample of money. That confusion for you have this trait of confusion. That is coming from the alphabet K. So when the
तो यहाँ हम अरिश्मा कर दो.
हाँ,
वो
Arishma.
उसके वजह से है ना, you will have always confusion in ये करूँ नहीं करूँ, but for you this is a year of taking decision, yes or no. Don't be of the maybe वाला. अगर maybe किया तो वो चला जाएगा. ठीक है?
अच्छा.
You have a promise of baby girl,
Okay.
your first child. For work, I would share a few remedies to you, maybe
Okay.
later after the pod. And tell me what more you want to know.
I wanted to start my business also. Like I have couple of ideas. I wanted to know, will the doors open for me?
I would want you to go a little slow
Mm.
as of now. Maybe after 2nd of June we can think of. We
This
can do
year,
we can do our R&D, and maybe after 2nd of June we can.
Okay.
Yes, we have to wait till June
Yeah.
at least. Yeah,
I'll wait.
yeah,
I'm waiting only, so I rather wait.
yeah. So that's there, and काम ना अभी फिलहाल रुक के मिलेगा. And because your combination is 3 and 9, so like I said, boli vani अच्छी रखना, and you're very intuitive because 3 and 9, and you will get your work only with your willpower. And as for your chart, you are like a father की तरह सबकी परवरिश करोगे family में. You will be somebody who will look after everybody in the family. You
Right.
look after, yeah. So
I think
one is
there's a nurturing
I am.
quality about
Yeah,
it.
yes,
I
yes.
have it.
She's always in every way,
Yeah.
financially, emotionally, you will be the one who will, yeah. And but make sure that this is not empty. This is filled. And if it's not getting it from around you, keep yourself happy.
Okay.
Yeah, because that's very important with us, especially the one who are provider.
Right.
Yeah. So try to keep this also filled. And 2028 is going to be fantastic for you.
2028.
It's
So
going
now
to be,
after a year, 9
Yeah,
months.
yeah, 28 will be fantastic.
Okay.
You will have ample of money. Whatever you have thought of, you will have it.
Okay.
200%.
Seems
You've
pretty
said
good.
it on podcast. Huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
But is there like a perfect birth chart? कभी ऐसा होता है कि somebody is born with like, and then these 12 houses.
So about the perfect birth chart तो नहीं है. Like I said, हम पैदा ही हुए because पिछले कर्म बाकी है ना. तो perfectness कहाँ से आएगी? अंबानी सर को कभी नहीं बताया गया होगा उनके फादर को किसी ने बचपन में that he will be the richest man of India. ये बताया गया होगा बहुत पैसे कमाएगा.
Right.
But probability जो है ना वो 10% is very important, and that will come only with your karma.
Right.
It will not come, like I said, by doing remedy, cleaning toilets. How can you give somebody a remedy of cleaning toilets and your Rahu is going to be okay?
Yes.
How can I give this remedy to a business person who is, coming for a remedy, and I would, so ये थोड़े से जो है ना ये masses के remedies है.
Right.
So again, there is nothing like a perfect chart. 12 houses represents, they are our 12 division of a brain, and 12 aditya, sun के जो 12 aditya है वो 12 aditya है. The first house is our self, myself. Second is my wealth. Third house is my communication, how I communicate, also how I treat my neighbors. Fourth house belongs to my emotion, my house. Fifth house is my love, my child. Sixth is my health, how is my day-to-day routine, how I'm. Seventh house, my sex life, my partner, my partnership with other people, my business partners. Eighth house is transformation. Ninth house is our luck, my higher learning. 10th is my career. 11th is my friends and love. आपके जैसे दोस्त होगे ना वैसे आपका लाभ होगा आपके लाइफ में.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
That's your 11th house. 12th house is a house for spirituality. आप spirituality को कितना समझते हो, कितना महत्व देते हो. So this is all about our 12 house, how it represents our life, our
Right.
12 dimension of our brain.
Right. Is there anything else we want to touch on astrology before we move on? Because there's some other occult sciences
Yeah.
that are connected, like numerology and Vastu. Question that I had is under occult sciences, there's also numerology, there's also Vastu. And is it possible that somebody says, oh, I believe in Vastu, but I don't believe in astrology? Or are they all connected?
They're all very connected. और ऐसे कोई astrologer है जो ये कह रहा है ना, I've heard many of them saying this. Astrology ही right है और numerology कुछ नहीं होता या वास्तु कुछ नहीं होता, उसके पास भी जानना छोड़ दो.
Right.
Because these three things
Are connected.
all are connected. Very very much connected. आप अगर कोई नंबर पे born हुए हो अगेन आपका कुछ कर्मा पेंडिंग है.
अच्छा.
ऐसे ही अब रैंडमली आपका एक डेट ऑफ बर्थ नहीं आ गया है, आपका सोल नंबर, आपका सोल मिशन नंबर, और नाम भी आपका ऐसे ही नहीं रखा गया है. वो कर्मा पूरा करता है आपका नाम, इसलिए नाम अच्छे रखना है.
Which is the important number? Like my date of birth is 4-10-78. So is it the 4 or is it the total of the 4-10-78?
All the three.
Okay.
Three. One is your date of birth, soul number, one is soul mission number, and one is your karma number. So soul number is what? How I see the world. That's your soul number. Your number 4, this is how you see the world. For example, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala sir. How will he see the world? He was number 5. कभी मुझे राइट बेचना है, कभी नहीं बेचना है. कौन से दाम पे बेचना है, कौन से दाम पे नहीं बेचना है शेयर्स. That is how he saw the world. That's soul mission number is how world want to see me. For example, Akshay sir, his total number comes to 5. 5 is a number of humor. 5 is a number of communication. और वो क्या कर रहे थे? एक्शन हीरो थे. Then he did a movie with your brother. सैफ सर के साथ. मैं खिलाड़ी तो समथिंग. एंड उसमें he has struggled so badly कि कॉमेडी करने के लिए. Saif sir was doing so much better.
But he's good at comedy also. Actually.
He's very good at comedy.
That then.
अच्छा.
Priyadarshini sir got
Hera
that thing out. He shaped it. And then if you see, go back 2007 say, it's only comedy. Most of them is comedy. Action
And
ke sath
he's
bhi comedy.
aced it.
And he's aced it because that's how world want to see him. That's how it is. And then comes our karma number, our name. It's very important. हमें जो हमारे कर्मा पूरा करना है ना, वो हमारे नाम से हम पूरा करेंगे. You see, certain product, they become just a brand. And why? There is a reason again. Because उनका उसने कर्मा पूरा किया वो प्रोडक्ट ने. जैसे कि सपोज आई एम नंबर 7 या मेरे बिजनेस नाम का नंबर 7 पे आ रहा है. अगर मैं सब स्टैंडर्ड चीज बेचूंगा ना, मुझको कभी भी सक्सेस नहीं मिलेगा. और अगर इसको सक्सेस मिल भी गया, दैट्स गोना बी अ वेरी शॉर्ट टर्म. एंड आई कैन राइट एंड गिव दिस एनी नंबर 7 पर्सन और एनी नंबर 7 बिजनेस नेम, अगर उसने सब स्टैंडर्ड किया, he will never have success. नंबर 4 वाले जितना जुगाड़ करना है कर लो, जितना हेरा फेरी करना है कर लो, तुम कमाने ही वाले हो वैसे.
अच्छा.
That's for number 4.
Wow.
Like number 4 के लिए there's a very beautiful remedy and I call my number 4 people Rahu Jeet. There is no planet who's got Jeet with the name. सूर्य को जीत नहीं बुलाते हैं, चंद्र को जीत नहीं, only राहु को राहु जीत. राहु जीत is one of the name of Vishnu. In South Granth if you go, you will find राहु जीत. राहु जीत अगर आपको ऐसा है ना, दिस रेमेडी इज फॉर एवरीबडी जिनको दे कांट वॉइस देयर ओपिनियन और पीपल टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ देम, और फॉर पीपल जिनको लैंड प्रॉपर्टी रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम चल रहे हैं, लोग शेयर नहीं दे रहे हैं आपका, लेफ्ट हाथ से या तो फिर द नॉन डोमिनेंट हैंड से आपको राहु जीत लिखना है इन हिंदी, in regional language, Hindi, Marathi, whichever, but regional language.
Right.
Okay. Firstly, though, why non-dominant hand? Because आपका जो opposite side of brain है वो use नहीं हुआ है. So you have the reserve power with you already. Activate it.
Right.
Okay. And Rahu Jeet, Rahu is bat. Bat is the most alert prani on earth.
Wow.
Okay. So you will be alert. You would know behind your back also what's happening. कौन क्या तुम्हारे बारे में बोल रहा है. So start writing Rahu Jeet 32 times only. Just do it for 6 months and you will see the changes.
So write it 32 times every day for 6 months.
Every day for 6 months minimum. You can write it lifetime, but you will see the result of Rahu. Because ये कहा जाता है अगर राहु बचाने अगर आपको आ जाए ना, तो आपको कोई बर्बाद नहीं करेगा. और अगर आपने राहु को बर्बाद करने गए तो आपको कोई बचा नहीं सकता. So that's how strong number 4 is.
Number 4 is.
And
Welcome
your number?
to number
Yeah.
3.
Number 3.
She's number 3.
Now you tell me
number,
about me.
number 3. Number 3.
बहुत सुन लिया 4 के बारे में.
नंबर 3 को बड़ा सोचना है, छोटी छोटी चीजों में मत पड़ो.
बड़ा सोच रही हूँ पर होना.
तो करो, उसके लिए वर्क करो. बड़ा सोच, आपको बड़ा ही सोचना है, आपको बड़ा ही करना है, बोली अच्छी रखनी है. एडवाइस हमेशा, जो भी एडवाइस के लिए आपके पास आएंगे, मेड भी आके आपके पास आके गाना गाएगी कि मैडम ये हो गया. यू विल ऑलवेज हैव दिस पीपल, पीपल कमिंग फॉर काउंसलिंग, टेकिंग दिस. Give it because that's gonna come back.
I give because it's my natural nature only.
And for number 3 for this year, after 2nd of June, possibility है that कुछ एक bitter सच surface होगा या कुछ emotional कुछ चीज से deal करना पड़ेगा. So they have to deal it with forgiveness. They have to deal it very nicely with a adult perspective, maturity, and forgiveness. Yes, and it's gonna be good. For number 3, after June seems to be a better period.
Okay, after June.
Yeah.
And did you ever think about the spelling of your name, or did anyone tell you to add an
Yeah, they
akshar?
did tell me, and I did it also for some time, but I didn't see any results, so I went back to what it was naturally. But I did consult a numerologist, and I put it on my social media also that this is my name now. But my husband just laughs that you're just doing these remedies. Let me see if you're becoming something what you want to become.
And for how long did you?
I kept it for a month, 2 months. My patience level
Month,
is also
2 months is not very long. Also, to
very
expect
short.
change to happen,
हाँ, and did you do some remedy with that?
or just change the name.
just change the name on Instagram.
Wow.
That's not a good wow, by the way.
I love you for this. I did that numerologist told
That's
me
not like
to.
wow. It's like a wow.
मतलब ये क्या किया? मतलब नेम चेंज कर लिया, बट सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को कौन बोलेगा कि ये मेरा नाम है अभी? तो उसके लिए रोज लिखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि
वो
सबकॉन्शियस
ट्रस्ट
माइंड
नहीं आ रहा मेरा for some reason that is this the right name for me. So how do
What
I
was
get
the
that?
name?
Yeah,
Just adding an A.
हाँ, adding alphabets
हाँ.
S or something like that.
Okay. So rather I'll give you another remedy.
Please give me.
Write your full name. Okay, whatever you like, whatever intuitively you want to add your husband name, करो, नहीं करना है मत करो, जो भी आपको अच्छा लगता है लिखने के लिए. Okay, in Hindi, if you can write Hindi.
I can write Hindi.
Hindi में 108 times write your name, red pen से. Okay, after that just below that write your goals, and goals could be anything. Goals could be I'm having ample of work, ample of money, prosperity, fame, I'm healthy, I'm debt free, I'm content, I'm peaceful. ये सब कुछ लिख लो जो भी लिखना है.
पहले क्या लिखूं? रेड पेन
रेड
में
पेन से
हिंदी में खाली मेरा नाम.
108 times, and then your goals. Just do it for 6 months and do it regularly. And if 6 months there is no change, I will leave astrology.
Wow.
You've said that.
Yeah.
Yes, I said that. I'm doing this since last 8 years. Okay, my plate is always full. I always have work. Touch wood, and because I'm doing this since last 8 years.
So in 6 months we should expect some changes. from
Yes.
you.
Absolutely.
So 108 times रेड
Red
पेन
pen,
से
yes.
हिंदी में लिखो और उसके नीचे लिखो मेरे goals.
Whatever goals you have.
I also wanted to ask you a very important thing. Every time I've consulted an astrologer or a tarot, you know what they tell me first thing? आप पे नजर बहुत लगती है.
Yeah.
I want to know, is नजर really true? नजर लगती है तो फिर तो जितने भी rich people है and
बहुत नजर
the actors who
और
are
नजर
very
कैसे उतार सकते हैं अगर ऐसी चीज?
and नहीं तो फिर हम पे लगती है तो imagine about the big Bollywood stars also, उन पे नजर नहीं लगती है या तो
लगती है ना.
people who are very very rich and ruling the country उन पे नहीं लगती है.
लगती है ना और
So-
उतारते हैं ना. कौन
And
बोला
what
नहीं
is
उतारते?
nazar? Is it an energy?
It's an energy.
Like if I'm saying wow so her skin is so good, I don't think so that is nazar, is it?
Again, क्या इंटेंशन से हमने बोला है. आपने अगर अच्छे से बोला है, okay, तो definitely no. पर आपने ऐसा ना हमने
why
बोला
does she
नहीं
have such a- I wish I
यार,
had
I
it.
wish I had
that.
what she must be doing. And you know होता है ना वैसे हम ऐसे बैठे होते हैं और हम ऐसे देख रहे होते हैं घड़ी-घड़ी.
हाँ.
You know
वो
जो-
मुझे
and
I
you
can feel
You
it.
can, because you're
around-
intuitive, so you
Yeah.
can feel. So nazar is real, okay, and it does harm. And if you think ये बड़े लोग को क्यों नहीं लगती है, तो सब सारे उतारा करते हैं, okay. When the younger son of Ambani sir was getting married, I think उनके weight के हिसाब से सिल्वर उतार के दान किया गया था. So that was a nazar, by the way. So ये तो हमें पता है, जो नहीं पता है अभी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं.
ओह,
Yeah.
अच्छा.
बगलामुखी मंदिर.
Is there a
हो
less
जाए.
expensive way to utaru nazar? I just want to ask.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Isn't there some namak?
Yeah, बिल्कुल,
हाँ,
बिल्कुल,
less
बिल्कुल.
expensive.
Lemon, just take a lemon. It should be either entirely yellow or entirely green. No spots, no dark dhabbe. Okay, just take that anti-clockwise 7 times. Just rotate. Okay. Try ये कोई और आपके लिए करे.
Right.
अगर
खुद के
कोई
लिए
नहीं है तो कर लो अभी.
नहीं, कोई तो मिल
But
जाएगा.
हाँ, कोई तो पकड़ के
हाँ.
करवा लो. Okay. And then इसको you have to burn it on the gas.
तो
Tong
कोई
से उसको
कुछ
rotate करो.
कहना है, कुछ सोचना है.
कुछ नहीं, बस उतार लो.
Anti-clockwise
And
7
if
times.
suppose any part of your body is hurting, say stomach is hurting, so जब उतारते हो थोड़ा सा stomach पे rub कर लो. Head is hurting, थोड़ा सा head पे touch कर लो and just burn it. And when it's cool down, okay, ये उड़ेगा भी हाँ, so just be careful. जब अगर ये बहुत नजर लगेगी
And
तो
just a
ये
full lemon, not a cut lemon.
ना
it's a
ना
full
ना
lemon.
it will मतलब burst होगा वो, so you have to be very careful. थोड़ा सा दूर रह के टोंग से घुमाना so that it's not on you. And then once burned, it's become black. Let it cool down and then throw it in the dustbin.
Through the dustbin.
You can do this. You can do with the red
Not this
mirchi
star
also.
rasta and all that.
No, why you want to
हाँ,
spoil our rasta?
हाँ,
है ना?
exactly.
Just do this, and this remedy should be done every Saturday.
Every Saturday.
कुछ भी हो जाए, मतलब वेट मत करो, मैं बीमार होंगी तब करूंगी,
हाँ.
तो फिर तुम बीमार हो चुके हो, you have
Right.
crossed it.
Yeah, do preemptive.
हाँ, preventive. सैटरडे को बच्चों का कर लो.
Namak.
नमक also you can do again 7 टाइम एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. You can use alum also, फिट करी बेड साइड पे रख दो एक रात में, कोई भी Saturday नाइट में, नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग जस्ट डस्टबिन में डाल दो या तो पानी में बहा दो. We can do even fit curry, we can do namak, we can do 7 red chilies also.
And is it because, you know, things like lime and salt are antibacterial? Is that like the...
There is also
I'm just-
again a thing, मतलब lemon और egg, इसको हम लोग when you go to Kamakya, इसे हम बलि की तरह यूज करते हैं. When you're not giving an
I went
animal
to
bali.
Kamakya.
Yeah. So again coming to that,
What
all
is
the
Kamakya?
big
Kamakya has a
people.
mandir for nazar.
Acha.
I got a very big
And
shock
it's not
of
for the
my.
nazar.
It's not for me. I'm a vegetarian.
हाँ, okay.
So it's
Acha,
not-
they
yeah.
have animal sacrifice.
Yeah.
and-
Yes, that's the
So
only place where animal sacrifice.
My
Panch
fuse
Bali is
udod
given.
there only. I'm like, I entered and I wanted to just take a U-turn and come back because
So you
I
didn't
don't-
know this before you went?
I didn't know.
Okay. So the big people we're talking about, the big politicians we're talking about, वहाँ पे सारी नजरें उतरती है
ऐसे
वहाँ पर. Yes, 100 goats, 500 and lot of things, lot many things. So just because we don't know, that doesn't mean it's not happening.
But I feel
We
like
don't
animal
do-
sacrifice, how can
हाँ.
that be a way of removing
Yeah.
nazar? That
Okay,
seems unfair.
so again, वहाँ पर जब हम पंच बलि देते हैं after the puja, that animal will take a human yoni. We are releasing the animal from the animal form. We are sending him to a human form. I know it's a lot of people will say a lot of things about this. What I've mentioned now, I'll be trolled, but that's how it is. वहाँ आप जो भी बलि दे रहे हो, वो animal form से वो human form में जाएगा.
I wanted to ask also because I was watching one of your podcasts where you said that now there's a trend when people get married in terms of the importance of a name. Now you have a traditional name. You also have a traditional name. I have a traditional, it's an
Very
Arabic
nice,
name,
beautiful
but it's a
Arabic name,
traditional
yeah.
name. A lot of people do, but a lot of people now are coming up with new words. They want to be different.
yeah.
Okay, my child should be the only one with this name. And I believe that a name gives it shapes you in some way. It affects you in some way, your name. Like you said, for example, the K in Karishma's might be causing her a little bit of indecisiveness or confusion. What are your thoughts on people when they marry, for example, and they try and take their two names and they blend them together and they come up with a new sound?
Yeah, it's a big no. A name, you should always name your child which has a very good meaning to it. Because every name, every word we speak, it has a frequency. So again, I always tell, it's not just the name what is given to you that matters. Even what husband calls you.
Like a pet name.
Like a pet name.
Dark नाम
घर
जिसे-
पे जो भी
हाँ,
बुलाया
dark नाम.
जाता है, आपके ऑफिस पे आपको शायद इनिशियल से बुलाते हैं, उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी है. आपको कहीं पे आपके सिर्फ फैमिली नेम से बुलाया जाता है, उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी है. सो इतने सारे जो नेम्स है ना, उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी. इसलिए आई ऑलवेज टेल कि नेवर कॉल योर चाइल्ड. कुछ होता है ना, हम डेविल बोल देते हैं या प्यार से हम कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे बुला लेते हैं, आप बेवकूफ हो या आप पगले हो गए हो.
Right.
डोंट, बिकॉज दिस आर द फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड वट एवर वी स्पीक, वो फ्रीक्वेंसी सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में भी जा रही है एंड इट्स गोइंग टू द यूनिवर्स एंड वट एवर गोज देयर विल रिफ्लेक्ट बैक एंड कम बैक. So very big no to something which doesn't have a meaning, and just because it's sounding, it has a very good unique sound, don't go for it, because this child will not be doing good in his life, because the name has got a very important impact on our हमारा अस्तित्व है.
Also, is it very important? Sorry, I'm asking a question.
No, please, you come this side. No?
Because this my mother always used to say. And I want to like really have an answer to this. राशि के हिसाब से आपको नाम रखना जरूरी है.
जी.
Okay,
It
my
helps.
mother is right.
नक्षत्र के हिसाब से नाम रखना जरूरी है.
नहीं रखा तो क्या होगा? What are the consequences?
कोई बात नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं होगा. Nothing bad will happen, but positive है.
Because my mom used to say कि आपको उसका भी भुगतना पड़ता है, इसका भी लेटर का It's not like that.
It's not like that. It's not like that. रखोगे तो अच्छा है,
हाँ.
नहीं रखोगे तो इट्स नॉट हार्मफुल. मतलब इट इज बेटर कि तुम अच्छा मीनिंग वाला नाम रखो. जैसे अमिताभ बच्चन सर, विजय नाम इतने बार यूज कर लिया.
It was a hit after hit
hit
after
after hit. See, because it was the frequency of that name, ना, the sound की जो frequency. So that is why पॉजिटिव चीजें हम बोलते हैं ना, हर एक बुक में, हर एक मैनिफेस्टेशन बुक में यही लिखा है ना, अच्छा बोलो और उस पर बिलीव रखो, एंड देन सब कुछ ट्रू होगा, इट विल कम ट्रू.
Okay.
सो दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Okay. So, राशि के हिसाब से नाम रखना चाहिए.
रखना चाहिए, नहीं रखोगे तो कोई बात नहीं, बट मीनिंग वाला हो.
Meaning वाला हो.
या
I wanted to come to Vastu a little bit because also I understand how energy of a space, light, all those things can affect. I believe in that. But also the design and direction of a space and how somebody today, for example, is not living in houses that existed some time ago. So I'm thinking, for example, if somebody is living on the 77th floor in Burli, how do they apply Vastu practically? How is that even possible?
So any bhavan, any house, any office, any space which has got chhat, which has got walls, roof आ गया, walls आ गए, ये वास्तु हो गया. यहाँ पर आपका वास्तु पुरुष आ गया. वास्तु पुरुष only needs छत और वॉल. फिर आप 77 फ्लोर पे रहो या बुर्ज खलीफा पे रहो. आई हैव डन आई थिंक मोर देन 5 वास्तु ऑफ बुर्ज खलीफा फ्लैट्स.
Really?
Yes. So it doesn't matter. And higher floors. So you just, that's your vastu. So it doesn't matter आप कोई भी फ्लोर पर हो, जो बेसिक उसकी जो रूल्स है, and the rules are very simple. 5 element जो हम सब बने हैं, वो 5 elements को बैलेंस करना है.
Right.
That's it.
But to take us to that, there's air, water, fire.
Yeah, there is. We'll start with water.
Yeah.
Then it's air. Then it's fire. Then it's earth, and then there is space. We call it ether also. So that's how the 5 elements, and every element will make the second element. So whenever, even if you want to have a winning seat in a meeting, कभी भी जो person है उसके इस side पे मत बैठो.
मतलब
Suppose
what?
तो अगर
you are sitting here.
I'm the person that you want to sit next to in the meeting.
Okay, if you are the person, if we are sitting, if
Yeah.
I am the person, we both are sitting, I would rather, I will ask you to sit maybe little here, or maybe I will shift little here. The next person जो होगा ना, so that the first element will create the next element. तो अगर आप यहाँ बैठोगे ना, तो आप मेरी बात नहीं सुनोगे. आप जब अगर यहाँ बैठोगे ना मुझसे, जो next का next element, you will listen to me what I'm saying. So is called a winning seat.
Wait, so somebody walks into a room, where should they want to sit at the table?
Suppose now if I'm in a briefing room or in a conference room, okay, if I want my boss to listen to me, okay, I will not sit just next to him on the left. I would rather sit on his right.
Immediately on his right?
Immediately on his right will also do.
Okay.
Because जो next वाला होगा ना, वो तो उससे produce हुआ है, तो मुझे उसकी सुननी पड़ेगी बात.
अच्छा.
You have to sit next to next वाले पर, या तो उसके भी next वाले पर. So that's
बॉस के राइट पे.
boss के right पे mostly, or towards this side is also fine.
And that works in a home situation also, like whoever you want to
Why
influence.
not?
Right.
Oh, for the home situation, I will give you more advice.
Like,
Don't worry.
where should you sit next to your mother-in-law? Asking. But just asking.
Yeah.
You have a good one. Good one.
You have a good one.
So one is water, you said.
Yeah, one is water.
Because air, we were talking about this, but water is important.
Air, and then one is.
But you said I'll start with water. And you said.
So these are the 5 elements. Okay. This we have to make. मतलब इसे हमें balance करना. ये 5 elements in the house. Okay. What is more important is floor से ज़्यादा and everything से ज़्यादा. Of course, the sunlight has to be good. When you're going to see that place, visit that place. Like I said, we all are very intuitive. तो आपको intuition आ जाता है.
Even I get.
Have you gone into a place and felt that the energy is good, the energy is not?
Yeah,
have you gone to a place where you felt the energy is not good?
Yes, I have, and I've paid the money. I've bought the house, and somewhere my heart was saying that this is not the one. But because the building was so good, I wanted to buy it. But I didn't move because I just felt that, I thought I was under a spell. That someone asked me to buy it and do that loss. Then when I wanted to actually shift, something told me that no, you can't stay here, and I didn't stay. So it was my intuition. Like I bought it because the name was very good and I wanted to stay in that area. And I did kharcha, everything. And then when it came to staying there, something just told me not to stay there. So I sold that house.
Wow.
Yeah. So I believe, I don't go overboard with Vastu.
Yes.
But I believe in that vibe. Where the chula has to be, where the north mein, whether you have to keep the bathroom or no. Generally in north you can't keep a bathroom.
Yeah.
I believe in east-west open ventilation. I believe in all that, and I believe in north facing is a good house for me.
She knows quite a lot.
No, that's what I'm saying. I know about
it.
sunlight
Nice.
and I know ventilation. I know about the bathroom, but I don't know why. And you've drawn a connection to the bathroom being in the wrong place in Cancer also.
Yes. Northeast. if not cancer, at least some neurological issues will be there. But again, suppose in a building, the entire stretch का तो सबका ही फिर नॉर्थ ईस्ट में होगा ना, सबको कैंसर नहीं होगा. यहाँ पर क्या आएगा, यहाँ हमारा कर्मा आएगा. क्योंकि इट्स नॉट जस्ट लाइक आई सेड, मैंने वास्तु ठीक कर दिया मेरे घर का, अभी बहुत छन और मैं अपने कर्मा नहीं ठीक कर रहा हूँ. आई एम ट्रीटिंग माई वाइफ वेरी बैडली, आई एम ट्रीटिंग माई मेड्स वेरी बैडली, इफ आई एम ट्रीटिंग माई वेंडर्स वेरी बैडली, नॉट पेइंग देम ऑन टाइम. ओके, योर वास्तु, योर गोल्ड मूर्ति, योर चांदी की गणेश जी विल नॉट हेल्प यू.
But sometimes karma doesn't bother you in this life; it bothers you in another life. They say.
No, of course it will bother you.
It will come back to you in this life.
Yeah, this life. So whatever suffering we have in our life, any individual, it's not only your karma, sweetheart. It is your spouse, it is your parents, it is your ancestors. इन सब के कर्मा भी हमको पे कर रहा है. इसलिए हम कहते हैं ना, हमें अच्छा करना है बिकॉज हमारे बच्चों को आएगा, और वो राइट है. हमें अच्छा करना है बिकॉज वी ऑल आर पेइंग. हम इसलिए शादी करते वक्त वाई वी सी कुंडली मैचिंग इज वन ऑफ द रीजन, क्योंकि कर्मा अच्छे है क्या, क्योंकि यू आर गोना बी अटैचिंग दैट आल्सो टू योर ऑलरेडी, आपका जो बैगेज लेके चल रहे हो उसमें आप वो भी ऐड करने वाले हो. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल ऑफ दैट.
Right. So just a couple of things for people who might be new to Vastu in terms of what should they be looking for in a house for it to be Vastu compliant.
Yeah. So one is very important thing is the entrance of the house. And when you are making an entrance, no, make it grand. It has to be grand. Lit होना चाहिए, रोशनी रखो, क्लीन होना चाहिए. आई अंडरस्टैंड बॉम्बे के हाउसेस छोटे हैं, हमारे शू रैक्स मोस्टली बाहर होते हैं, उसको कबर्ड में रखो शूज को, नॉट ओपन एंड जस्ट ऐसे ही फैले हुए नहीं हो, कबर्ड में हो. दैट्स वन थिंग, वन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, एंट्रेंस. सेकेंड इज आवर किचन. किचन हैव टू बी इन द अग्नि जोन, साउथ ईस्ट, साउथ ईस्ट या तो वेस्ट. नहीं पॉसिबल है, वी कैन डू रेमेडी. ऐसा, it's not very difficult, very simple remedies.
And the basis for that is what? Is there a basis for that? Just the position of the kitchen?
Yeah, because it's the Agni zone. Southeast is a fire zone. So वहाँ पे fire होना चाहिए. वो लक्ष्मी का zone है. वहाँ जितनी अग्नि जलेगी उतना पैसा, comfort, prosperity, luxury will be in your life. Okay. West is also okay for fire because that's a Shani zone. Okay. Your next important thing is your bedroom, because at least 8 hours, 6 hours you're going to be in your bed. Your children at least going to be there for at least 8 to 10 hours. So it's very important, the color of your room, the curtains color, matlab dark, loud, beam ke niche mat so. You know, these are very important thing. And another very important thing is, आपका जो घर होगा उसके south facing में कोई sea, water element नहीं होना चाहिए. That's a very big no for us.
I'm thinking where.
Yeah.
Bandra, there's nothing.
No, there is. Why not?
No, I can see the sea from.
Salman Khan and Shah Rukh sir के west में है sea, and that's very good because west में is Varun Devta. So whenever you have sea on your west side, you will have ample of work and ample of money. And another important thing, as per Bhagavad Gita, by the way, the most important zone in Vastu is north, south, southeast and northwest. And out of all this 4 zone, northwest सबसे important है, because northwest में पूरे family की collective spiritual energy है. So वो disturb नहीं होना चाहिए. Yeah. Northwest is the manager of the house.
So what should one have in the northwest then?
No disturbance, as in वहाँ पे अगर kitchen है तो treat करा दो, toilet होगा तो treat करवा दो. Mostly अगर bedroom है तो बहुत अच्छा है.
And tell me about the connection between Cancer and the bathroom.
The northeast when you see Vastu Purush, okay, Vastu is all Vastu Purush है. उनका जब आप Vastu Purush की body देखोगे ना, north east में उनका head आता है. So when you have head पे अगर आपने toilet fit कर दिया, तो क्या करने वाले हो आप? आपके हेल्थ, सबसे बड़ा कैंसर का जो सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट जो रीजनिंग है वो है स्ट्रेस. अगर नॉर्थ में यहाँ पर अगर टॉयलेट आएगा तो मेरा इमोशनल हेल्थ डिस्टर्ब है, मुझे स्ट्रेस आएगा, छोटी छोटी बात पे स्ट्रेस आएगा, मैं डरपोक हो जाऊंगी. नॉर्थ ईस्ट में टॉयलेट ऑल्सो मेक्स यू डरपोक. Okay, you will not take your decisions, you will not release your emotions. All this will invite health issue, neurological problems.
And somebody told me that there's a solution. If you find that your toilet is for some reason is stuck in the northeast, then you can put some wood or something. ऐसा कुछ है?
You could put a aluminium strip, you can put little chandi and all, but this is only temporary relief for 1 year or 1.5 years. Okay. I would not go and stay even for free in that house.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, even
because I have not seen any house which has northeast toilet and no cancer as yet.
But also 1 in 2 people are getting cancer now.
Yeah, but that's there, but definitely northeast disturb है. या अगर वो नहीं है तो kitchen है वहाँ पे.
Right.
और kitchen में फिर non-veg है.
Right.
So even that is not allowed in Northeast.
So, which exit is the best exit if you are like
Entry,
the house?
yeah,
हाँ,
entry. North
exit.
entry is very good. Northeast is very
North
good.
entry or when
Entry
you
और exit तो
exit?
same ही तो होगा ना?
Entry
नहीं,
or exit?
exit, exit.
Exit. मतलब आपका entry exit अलग है घर पे?
East.
Sweetheart, it's gonna be same only, no?
No,
Entry,
when you're
exit तो same.
exiting.
आप facing बोल रहे हो?
हाँ, facing.
आप facing
When
बोल रहे
you're
हो?
when you're exiting the main house,
हाँ.
तो वो क्या होना चाहिए सामने वाला?
So forget about entering and exiting. Just remember that it should be north. Your entry should be north. Northeast is good. East is good. If you're a producer, if you're into black money and all, south is very good.
Nobody's into black money anymore, surely.
हाँ, why not?
Producer तो हुई नहीं.
उनके लिए साउथ अच्छा है. North and east is very good. For actors, east में सूर्यदेव होना ही चाहिए. That will increase your social connect, which is very important for
Yes.
y'all. Okay, which you don't
Networking.
do. Which you don't do.
No, I don't answer my phone only, so how will I?
Which you don't do. So I've seen your chart, which you don't do. So छोड़ दो.
Okay.
And
Doesn't Kunal's phone you pick up?
No, why will I pick up Kunal's phone?
I mean, if he's out.
Oh, if he's, I thought you meant I'll pick up his phone.
No, if he's
हाँ.
out.
Yeah,
do you
only
pick
his
up
phone I pick up because he'll talk to me with like definite point, not just अच्छा तो बताओ क्या हो रहा है.
I'll call you for definite point only.
Something that you can't text, you call me, which you have, but yes. Anyway,
yes, yeah.
entries.
Northeast and northwest is also important, but northeast, of course, no disturb, no fire, no toilet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. As we come to the end of it, just a couple of questions, because I'm sure a lot of people are interested in 2026. The year has also started off with a lot of uncertainty, a lot of fear. You said that there will be no world war, but people are concerned. We're very close now. Also Sri Lanka and, all of the Middle East is on Dubai is to lots of people's families live there. So it's come very close to us. But not just from a geopolitical perspective, in general. How do you see 2026 unfolding?
Okay. Can I just use my phone
Yeah.
to?
And especially perhaps if certain people are going to shine more than others. Maybe number 4.
Yeah, number 4. Yes, it's a good year for them. Yeah, but they need to let go of that procrastination and laziness.
You're just saying number 4 or me in particular?
You in particular.
Okay.
And also number 4. And number 4 needs to watch their back this year.
Wash their back or
Watch your back because they're going to get backstabbing.
Really?
Yeah, for number 4. So keep a mirror also in front of you so that you can see behind what's happening. Okay. So for prediction on war, like I said, UAE will be out in like 2-3 weeks. Possibility hai all Middle East will come together, shake hands with China and become stronger, and then this will be withdrawn. But mostly it will be maximum till 2nd July. Maximum I'm seeing it. We all are going to be fine. Okay. But थोड़ा सा रहेगा, कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहेगा regarding सबके temperaments जो है ना, because it's a year of सूर्य, it's a year of power, it's a year of सबको दिखाने का कि मैं तुझसे strong हूँ.
अच्छा.
ठीक है. सो इसीलिए सब लोग दिखाने वाले हैं कि मैं तुझसे स्ट्रांग हूँ और कैसे स्ट्रांग हूँ. बेसिकली ये ईयर है सच्चाई का और सबकी सच्चाई बाहर आने वाली है इस साल. कितने भी आप मुकुट पहन लो, एवरीबडी वुड नो व्हाट यू आर. ओके. फ्रॉम 27th of May till 2nd of July तक, this period में 2 European countries gonna have some tandav. They are not going to be happy with each other. From 22nd March till September 16th this year, India will face financial crisis.
Oh.
Possibility है major accounts जो होंगे वो शायद block भी हो जाएंगे. Major जिसमें fund होगा. So that's one of the things is going to be freezed. India का loan by November this year will increase by 35%.
The external debt, like
external debt is going to increase. US में कोई एक बड़े leader will lose his life or his seat. One big leader. India में one big politician will be forced to resign this year. Share market will fall after April 27 till September. And in this 3 month, share market will be from 22,000 till to 22,500 के बीच में आएगा.
Okay.
इन 3 महीनों में. And again, this is not a World War III. There is not going to be a World War III. It's a man-made war. And gold rate, starting from 18th of April, say August tak, we are going to see gold rate to be 2 lakhs. And by December this year, silver will be 5 lakhs cross kar lega for a kg.
My God. So if anybody
if
sees
you
any
have-
kind of drop now, they should perhaps invest
Yeah,
in
whenever there is a drop, please buy.
gold and
Whenever
silver.
there's a drop, just buy at least for the trading purpose. If you have cash, might as well buy gold and just trade. When the rate is high, just sell it off. There will be one aircraft crash in Europe, and that will be will be carrying a minister, and he will die.
My God.
So that's for
So-
2026.
Oh.
Yeah. So I had also said it in many pod in the beginning of the year and the last year. 26 is like a bitter medicine.
Right.
It's not going to be any good. It's
Right.
going to be a bitter medicine. Yeah.
Right. It seems to have got off to certainly to a start where there's
Yeah.
a lot that people have to deal with and fortify themselves to deal with it. I just again before we close, have you ever consulted astrology on an app or is it always through a person?
Person only. App, I think, is useless. I need to have that personal touch. I need that conversation. I need that human touch, to understand what I am going through and where I want my life to go.
Yeah.
And what problems I'm facing. So I can't
With
do
a
that.
machine.
Not at all.
Yeah. But do you, because a lot of things are going digital now and there's like Astro Talk and a number of other
yeah.
apps and I just wanted to get your take on that.
So I have many astrologer who are on Astro Talk as an astrologer and they consult me.
Also, I'm scared of leaking my personal
Personal life.
information.
There's no privacy,
Yeah,
maybe.
there's no
Yeah.
privacy.
And again, chat GPT या हमारा जो भी AI है
हाँ,
ये
Gemini
कभी हमारा एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स को रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकता. It cannot because it will never know when to pause, when to say this shall pass. उसके लिए AI के लिए जो Saturn है वो punishment कर रहा है. हमारे लिए जो Saturn है, मेरे लिए जो Saturn है, he's a teacher. He's
Right.
not punishing you.
Right.
So there is always, we know when you are in a personal consultation, and I prefer personal consultation also because you know when to pause, you know when to say, because you can read the aura, you are intuitive toward that person, you know what's happening in the mind, so we know when to pause.
Yeah.
AI will not be able to
Yeah.
say that or do that for you.
True. Just closing question to you, Karishma, I wanted to, for some people perhaps who are into astrology at home, where can they draw the line or where do you draw the line that they can draw inspiration from? How does astrology bring you comfort but not make you anxious?
So yes, as I told you before also, that whoever I'm consulting, if that person is giving me anxiety or that fear that अगर आप ये नहीं करोगे तो ये हो जाएगा, अगर आप ये नहीं पहनोगे तो ये हो जाएगा, I don't want to consult those astrologers at all. So I would only recommend and tell people that you believe in it for clarity to understand the path, and if there are any highs and lows, so you are already prepared.
Right.
So you're not going into depression or ये मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ. You know that someone has already told you what's going to happen. So for that reason you consult, just for that. Other than that, just do what you feel like. There is something called hard work. There's something called your luck also, and there's something called your intuition also. So go with that. So I think balance is the key.
Yeah, I think the idea is not to give up completely
Yeah.
any sense of personal responsibility or agency
Yeah.
and just say, okay, I have nothing to do with this process.
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong. Alifia, just one question, maybe the biggest misconception that people have about astrology that you would like to clear up now.
People just following, like I said, astrology को hard work से मत replace करो. It cannot replace. One is that. Secondly, whatever changes you want in your life will come with knowledge, your gyan, your faith, your efforts. Astrology लो and just take it as a guidance. मतलब किसी ने बोल दिया उल्टा लटक जाओ तो वो करने की जरूरत नहीं. Don't follow it till the T.
Yes.
But just follow कि important decisions ले रहा हूँ, करूँ या नहीं करूँ.
Right.
If you have anxiety, if you're having, you need to talk to somebody, उस लिए ले लो, important decisions के लिए ले लो, but don't really actually also go in detail.
Right.
मतलब every day, every week consultation की जरूरत नहीं है, every month consultation की भी जरूरत नहीं है, unless if it's releasing your anxiety or something. Yes, I do have some clients who want to talk to me every month, okay, but I understand where it is coming from. But at the same time, I have not asked them कि तुम तुम्हारा साइकाइट्रिस्ट के पास जो विजिट है वो बंद करो, उधर भी जाओ, वो भी मेडिसिन खाओ, यू कैन कॉल मी ऑल्सो, आई एम ऑलवेज देयर. सो वो एक बैलेंस लेकर आओ,
Yeah.
ब्लाइंडली भी मत बिलीव करो.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's wonderful. I think that's really been very educational for me to have this conversation because I learned so much and it makes me want to explore more. And I think the main takeaway is that word balance. I think if all of us, whatever we get into, if we just retain balance,
balance, yeah.
whether it's exercise, whether it's nutrition, whether it's a diet, whether it's parenting, whether it's marriage, whether it's astrology, if we can use it to benefit ourselves and know where to
Draw a line.
then it can empower us as opposed to harming us in any way. So I want to thank you both for taking the time and for what I think was a really insightful conversation. And thank you, Karishma. I think you came here and answered all our questions with a lot of sincerity and honesty. And I really appreciate that. And thank you so much, Dr. Alethea, I think, for just helping us understand astrology and perhaps explain or give us a more rational, more logical side to it. I think for our audiences at home, whether you believe that the stars shape our lives or you believe that we shape our own destiny, conversations like this remind us of something deeper, that human beings have always and continue to look for meaning, sometimes in the sky, sometimes in numbers, sometimes in symbols, and sometimes simply in conversation with each other. And what matters most is that we keep asking questions, that we stay curious, and that we find what brings us clarity and comfort in our own journey. Because at the end of the day, belief systems may guide us, but our choices and responsibility, they still remain our own. And thank you to everyone for watching All About Her. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and we will see you soon.